Hello teacher. The Save feature on Google Scholar can be useful to save articles and research papers for future reference or to use in lesson planning. Step 1. Go to Google Scholar website. Step 2. Search for the article you want to bookmark. Step 3. Click on the Save button located under the article title. Step 4. The article will be added to My Library and can be accessed by clicking on the My Library tab on the left side of the Google Scholar homepage. The saved articles can also be grouped into folders based on specific topics or research areas, making it easier for teachers to organize their research materials. Furthermore, the feature also provides alerts for newly published articles that match the user's saved searches, enabling teachers to stay up to date with the latest research in their field. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.